Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to draw for the first recharge event of Double 11 skin featuring Nolan. So we have 9 tickets from the recharge event. I haven't recharged up to 500 yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to, but let's try our luck first. Oh, let's turn on the effects, because these effects are so amazing. And we got Kagura. That is the 10th draw, right? Oh, that's the 10th draw, so he gave me a special skin. Huh? Oh, I thought I... Huh? Wait, did I draw? I thought I got the skin. Oy, nice, 50. That's the most important thing to get here. The 51. For a second there, I thought I got the Nolan skin. Yeah, the emotes are the worst thing to get. Dang it. I still have 2 more. Dang, this also is another bad draw. Okay, so we have drawn 17 draws and we only got 250. So we're far from Nolan. I'm not sure if I'm going to get Nolan now, but for now, these are my first phase recharge draws. So what did you get, guys? What skin are you planning to get? At first I want to get Hayabusa, but when I saw Nolan's effect, I'm kinda having second thoughts. Cut those effects. Let's see what the effect is when the skills are linked. Let me see. Okay, got it. Now I have 7 more tokens to use. Let's go. Nice one, 50. Hope to get more 50. Oh, so we got 10. Okay. Oh, we got... Is this a painted skin or is this the...
Time to take the field.
Bruno's Vanguard Elite? Uy. Still haven't gotten this skin yet. So is this the 10th, 20th one? Oh. That was kind of lucky and unlucky as well. But let's continue. I know that the Bruno Vanguard Elite can be gotten by premium fragments long time ago, but I didn't buy it. That was supposed to be 30 fragments. We need 50 more. Nice one. Oh, we got 50 again. Pretty lucky, guys. So we're halfway there, guys, to a double 11 skin. So this is the results of my first phase recharge event. We have drawn 24 times and we have gotten 428 tokens. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. 428 relics. I mean. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.